Hello everyone, this is Harshanak Singh here introducing the boAt Deuce 300 USB cable. So let me show you more about it. The boAt Deuce USB 300 2-in-1 cable is compatible with smartphones, tablets, Bluetooth speakers, power banks and all other devices with Type-C as well as micro USB port. The dimensions are 150 by 1 by 1 cm and 25 grams, and the length of the cable is 1.5 meters. The cable ensures 3 fast charging and data transmission with rapid sync at 480 Mbps, and the premium nylon braided skin makes it sturdy and invisible against external damage. Its aluminum alloy shell housing makes it last longer, and it comes with 10,000 band lifespan with an extended frame protection.